Ayan, nakanta na ata natin lahat ng Kenny Rogers. David Pomeranz. Oh, let's try naman yung mga love song ni David Pomeranz. Let's try this song, Born for You.
This is the one for me.
Alright, once again, Born for You, David Pomeranz. Another most requested song. Ito, malapit tong kanta to sa akin. Parang ito yung nangyari sa akin. Born for You. Too many billion people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you find your way to me? Tell me, what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle that happened. Though I search for an explanation, only one thing it could be, that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you, and the choice was never ours. If I set the power of the universe conspire to make you mine, until the day I die. I'm blessed today that I was born for you. And too many foolish people try to come between us, and none of them seem to matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know I belong here. In your arms I found the answer. Somehow nothing would seem so wrong here if they only realize that I was born for you, and that you were born for me. And in this random world, this was clearly meant to be. What we had, the world could never understand or ever take away, until the day I die. I bless the day that I was born for you. World can never understand or ever take away, and as the years go by, until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Born for You. Talagang feel na feel ko yan, kasi yan yung isa sa mga ano namin mga theme song namin ni Belle.